So then I told him I'd like to see what he had to offer. I told him it wasn't really about the money. It's not, but it...
Clogged drains interrupt your day. Did you know they can also be a stinky health hazard that causes waste to back up into your home?
That smell is me?
We can help. Visit BenjaminFranklinPlumbing.com to request an appointment. Back in my day, drains were called buckets.
Because you didn't have plumbing. I get it.
Hello there. If you want to see more moving images featuring yours truly, click that subscribe button and hit the notifications icon.